What is www.supervisor.my? Are you planning to renovate your home or office? Or in midst of renovation but having massive problems with your contractor? Are you a new homeowner who just got your keys to your new home and need someone to do a full proper inspection with a detailed defects report so that now you can give it to your developer to rectify the defects? Most people go through a lot of problems, issues, and stress dealing with the contractors, like being overcharged, a lot of hidden cost, not following the agreed specification or materials, poor workmanship, not enough workers at site, hence delay in completion, a lot of defects, or you have no time to visit your renovation site and not sure what's going on. Matter of fact, research showed that 79% of people are not happy with their contractor's work and end up paying 15% to 20% more to their contractor from the agreed project value. Introducing Supervisor, where we have benefited many homeowners and corporates to date, whether is pre, during, or post-renovation works. Our approach is a game changer, where you pick what you want, pay for what you use on an a la carte pay-per-use basis. As your supervisor, our packages starts from 150 ringgit. Wow, now it's so affordable to have a supervisor to look after the contractor and all my renovation needs. With Supervisor, you have peace of mind. It's cost and time saving, ensure transparency, good check and balance, and proper contractor and site management. Let us help and show you how we can save you thousands of ringgit today. Visit www.supervisor.my or call Supervisor at 019-366-5353.